About this item: fitment for GMC Sierra speaker adapter compatible with GMC, Colorado 2010 to 2016, Acadia 2007 to 2017, Savannah van 2008 to 2018, Sierra 2007 to 2019, Sierra HD 2014 to 2019, Yukon/Yukon Denali/Yukon XL 2007 to 2019, Hummer H2 2008 to 2009, Hummer H3 2006 to 2010, Hummer H3T 2009 to 2010, Pontiac G5 2007 to 2010, Pontiac G6 2005 to 2009, Saturn Outlook 2007-2009 fitment 6.5 speaker adapter compatible with Chevrolet, Avalanche 2007 to 2013, Captiva Sport 2012 to 2015, Cobalt 2005 to 2010, Express Van 2008 to 2018, HHR 2006 to 2011, Malibu 2008 to 2015, Silverado 2007 to 2021, Silverado HD 2014 to 2019, Sonic 2012 to 2016, Suburban 2007 to 2019, Tahoe 2007 to 2019, Traverse 2009 to 2017, 2006 to 2015, Chevy Impala, Ford Buick, Enclave 2008 to 2017, Lucerne 2006 to 2011, 2008 to 2011, Regal. For Cadillac, Escalade/ESV/EXT 2007-2014 fitment pattern speaker bracket compatible with Hummer 2006 to 2010 H3 front and rear 2006-10 Hummer H3T front. For Pontiac G6 2005 to 10 front 2006-2010 Pontiac Solstice front 07-09 Saturn Aura front location 2007-10 Saturn Outlook front and rear 2007-10 Saturn Sky front location installation easy to install. Door speaker adapter wire for Silverado utilizes existing vehicle mounting points, and requires no cutting or drilling. The Sierra speaker adapter made with 5.5 round cutouts to house most 6.5 aftermarket speakers. Package 2 PCS speaker adapter 6.5 inches included.